Hello.
Have a look at the sheep.
How was that?
You had a tractor ride, Finn.
Yeah.
Logan's pretty jealous, I think.
Yeah. You want to go on the tractor?
You want to go on the tractor?
And that's a scoop.
Scoop. Oh yeah, big scoop. What's it got on its back, on the back trailer?
It's got some hay bales.
Hay bales for the sheep.
Yeah.
You do it, Finn. Good job.
Good one.
Yeah. He likes that, I think, Finn. He wants some more. That's it. Ah. The wee dog Finn likes you, Finn. Hey, Tom.
Hey. 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 Hey, Finn. Hey.
Wee Tom's keeping my legs warm. He wants you to pat him again, Finn. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's giving you a wee kiss. A doggy kiss. Oh, Finn, I think you made a friend.
This is Finn in the tractor. Loading out. Feeding the sheep. Where are the sheep? Oh, go on. It's Finn feeding out. Feeding out the sheep.
Yeah.
Look at them all, Finn.
Do you look at it? It's turning that like that over our spiky sails.
Here we go.
Oh, hey, come down and start out
Yeah.
here.
There's your friend, Finn. That's Bruce, is it? Or Tom? What's his name, Finn? He's a nice dog, isn't he? He likes you. Come we'll see the sheep. Come we'll see the sheep having their lunch.